Does a common goal bind you and your team? क्या एक ऐसा कॉमन गोल है जो आपको और आपकी टीम को एक साथ बांधे हुए है? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you are able to relate with this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. What is this common goal that I'm talking about? Well, you and your team, you are all out there to serve. And that is the big common goal that you're there for. Now, what's the significance of this common goal? Yes, of course, we're there to serve clients. Now, the significance is, are you really aware that you and your team, आप और आपकी टीम एक ही तरफ हैं? जब कॉमन गोल से आप कनेक्टेड होते हैं और एक ही तरफ आप हैं, then you know that yes, it's a common purpose. It's a it's the same purpose that we are all serving together. Now, if you know and if you are aware as a leader that yes, me and my team, we are together, we are on the same side, then how would you want your team to be? मेरी टीम मेरे साथ है उस कॉमन गोल को सर्व करने के लिए, तो कैसी टीम चाहोगे? Excited, exuberant, full of energy, trustworthy, right? Motivated to work, right? Always coming up with newer ideas, excited about what they're doing, happy about it, charged up. Or would you want a team which is constantly struggling, which has its own issues? I'm sure you want a team which is all of those, energetic, right? You want a team which is out there with you to serve that common purpose. Yes, however, just pause and reflect. Is the team really conducting itself like that? And then reflect, are you really treating the team as standing on the same side with you? क्या वास्तव में आप क्लियर हो इस बात पे कि हाँ, मेरी टीम मेरे साथ एक ही तरफ है, या आप वहां से ऑपरेट कर रहे हो कि ये तो इनके लिए संभव नहीं है, ये ऐसा है, ये ढंग से नहीं करता है, ही इज ऑलवेज स्क्रिबिंग, ही जस्ट कैन नॉट डू इट, ही इज नॉट गुड इनफ, my team is so and so, I should be behaving in such a manner with my team, I cannot always count on them, I should not divulge too much information, or I should not get over friendly with them, let me maintain a distance, I am the boss, I should tell them what needs to be done, and so on and so forth. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि एक एंटिटी मैं हूं और एक मेरी टीम है, तो आपने एक डिस्टेंस वहीं पे पैदा कर दिया है. In that case, your client comes later, of course, and all of that happens, but you are first juggling here amongst yourselves. The entire struggle is because you are two different entities, and then when you go out there, it's not a common purpose that you're serving. So you really need to look at how are you as a leader, forget what the team is doing, the basics need to be taken care of. और basic क्या है? आप टीम को कहाँ से देख रहे हैं? So, just get that the clients in a way are the real employers. अगर आप वहाँ से देखते हो कि हाँ, क्लाइंट है और हम together we are partners. Me, my team, we are partners, and together we are out there to serve them. If we serve them well, we are in business. If we don't serve them to their desire, we are out of business. Isn't it that simple? And for you to be in business, for you to serve them to their desire, you need to be standing together as a team, like you are together a team. But अगर आप वहाँ से operate करोगे, boss, team, and you are struggling with your own beliefs, your own challenges, ये ऐसे नहीं, वो वैसे नहीं, I'm sure if that's the case, then you already see the impact. So I just want you to look at where are you operating from. Get that awareness and figure out what you really want to do. Do you want to stand opposite each other, you and your team here? Or you get that you have to be together and you are really on the same side. Now, when you're on the same side, what kind of a treatment do you want to give to your team? How do you really want to approach them? How do you want to have the connect with them? What kind of a connect do you want to have with your team so that together you are able to serve that common goal? Let me know what are your thoughts on this. I would love to hear from you. Please put it in comment box. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.